Welcome to vidIQ, the tool, channel and academy that educates you on your YouTube journey. Now that you have installed the vidIQ extension on your browser, go to any YouTube watch page and you should see this box. You can either sign in via Google, log in with your existing vidIQ account, or create a brand new one. In order for vidIQ to give you industry-leading research tools and data analysis, you do need to accept the following permissions on your YouTube channel. As creators ourselves, we know how important your channel is. We don't sell your data and we don't delete your content. Once you allow these permissions, you will unlock the full vidIQ toolset. Hello, by the way, I'm Rob, the host of vidIQ, and if you want to learn more about all of the tools we have, along with lots of YouTube tips, tricks and advice, then do make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Make sure to check out our academy too, which will not only help you launch your channel, but take your YouTube skills to the next level. Keep an eye out for the academy button the next time you're using YouTube. On behalf of the entire team, thank you for downloading vidIQ. Welcome to the family. Let's start learning together.